What's up guys, today we're going to be installing a CJR exhaust baffle on my crf110. Alright, so here's stock and what it sounds like with the stock baffle on. Now we're going to take the baffle out. So I think you need I think it's a 5/16. And then just loosen these three screws on here. One of mine's already out because it fell out and rattled loose. Now once those are out, you should be able to just slide this one out. Put that off to the side. And here's what it sounds like with no baffle. Alright, so now we're going to be installing the newer one, the new baffle. It comes with these 3 screws, which you're just going to put in place of the old ones. Pretty simple, just put it on where the old screws were. Now it's on, let's see what it sounds like. It's a little louder than stock at idle. Alright, so it basically sounds like stock, but it's a little bit deeper. You don't get that like ringly like sound like something's rattling around or whatever. And it's a little bit deeper. It's definitely a little louder, but like